Which of the following magnification of the ocular will occupy maximum retinal surface? A1x, B5x, C20x, D50x. The correct answer is 50x. Unstained specimens can be visualized using A. Bright field microscope, B. Phase contrast microscope, C. Mass spectroscopy, D. Spectrophotometer. The correct answer is phase contrast microscope. A. Fixative. The macromolecular components of a cell. A. Degrades, B. Immobilizes, C. Penetrates, D. Granulates. The correct answer is immobilizes. Which of the following gives a three-dimensional quality of the image? A. Differential interference contrast, B. Bright field microscope, C. Gas chromatography, D. Spectrophotometry. The correct answer is differential interference contrast. The resolution attained by a microscope is limited by A. Diffraction, B. Refraction, C. Reflection, D. Retraction. The correct answer is diffraction. Rhodamine is A. Fluorochrome, B. Antibody, C. Stain, D. Gel type. The correct answer is fluorochrome. Which of the following cannot be used as a fixative? A. Formaldehyde, B. Acetic acid, C. Alcohol, D. Vitamin B12. The correct answer is vitamin B12. Which of the following component of the light microscope illuminates the specimen by gathering diffuse rays from the light microscope? A. Light source, B. eyepiece, C. Condenser lens, D. Screws. The correct answer is condenser lens. The maximum possible numerical aperture of 1.5 is for a lens. A. All immersion, B. Air interface, C. Water interface, D. Binocular. The correct answer is all immersion. Which of the following is used for the preparation of a section specimen? A. Phenol, B. Isomyl alcohol, C. Fixative, D. Lubricative. The correct answer is fixative. The Feulgen stain is used for staining. A. Plasma membrane, B. Chromosomes, C. Phospholipids, D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is chromosomes. 527 nanometers is the wavelength of light. A. Red, B. White, C. Green, D. Blue. The correct answer is green. Slides containing adherent paraffin sections are immersed in A. Toluene, B. Isomyl alcohol, C. Isopropanol, D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is toluene. Ocular lens forms a virtual image. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The numerical aperture is constant for each lens. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.